That will be for the module line of how one cell can become like a module. And then what will be the next one? How a module can become like a pack. For the first process, they have like the host over here. They will automatically transfer the pack lowercase online or unloading. For the next one, we have like a air tightness testing machine to test for the pack lowercase air tightness. And for the next one, we have operator to use alcohol to clean the bottom lowercase and also apply this kind of heat conduction glue. For the next one, for this line, they also add another rubber arm to apply AB glue, this two kind of glue mixing together and apply the glue on the bottom of the pack lowercase. Okay, so for the rest of it, be careful. For the next one, that will be high voltage installation. Excuse me, and this will be the low voltage installation. And then over here will be the process. The operator will install the top cover of the pack. So that's why we have the crane, because the pack cover case is really, really heavy. And then once the top cover is being installed, we have another testing air tightness workstation. It will be testing for this time. The air tightness we're testing for the whole package is not only the pack lowercase anymore. Okay, for the next one, that will be UL detection for the whole pack. And then you can measure the weights and then packaging and the label of the pack QR code. Those will be our client products. Okay, so I think that will be for the automation multi-pack production line. On my right hand, that will be for the automation line. And on my left hand, that will be semi-automation line, which means the line efficiency like around 8 ppm. It can generate like around 0.8 to 1 gigawatts hour per 1 year per one shift. So if you have this kind of need or interested in this kind of equipment, you can always reach out to Huiyaolaser, like Huiyaolaser over here. And then our official website, that will be www.huiyaolaser.com. And if you want to reach out to me personally, and this is my email address and this is my WhatsApp number, you can always know where to find me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in next episode. Bye.